What is up guys, Joe here, back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to find Solana NFT drops during the mint and pre-sale stage. So this means finding those rare, hot NFTs before they hit the general public. So with this method, you'll be able to find and research the top NFT mints and then resell them for a large return on your investment. So it's a very simple strategy. It can take a bit of manual work, but I promise you it can be a lucrative investment in the end. So let's get started. So my top website for finding Solana NFT drops is howrare.is. And on this website, you can see how rare your specific Solana NFT is. Also, you can view upcoming drops in the tab up here. So from here, it gives you an NFT calendar of upcoming mints on the Solana blockchain. There are tons of collections in the pipeline, so it's up to you to personally find the hidden gem amongst all of these projects. So there are 3 things you should look out for when trying to find the best NFT projects for you to purchase. And they are the amount of Twitter and Discord followers, whether the NFT has utility beyond being a piece of artwork, and lastly, the roadmap. What type of roadmap does the project have moving ahead? Will there be more collections produced? Will a DAO be created? Will a game be created? All of these things matter and add more value to the NFT that you will be investing in. So definitely keep an eye out for all of those factors. So put simply, you want to start browsing through some of these and find a piece of artwork that really resonates with you. And from here, click on the link. And right off the bat, we see here over 6,000 Twitter followers, which is a healthy following. That's a good number. I usually like anything above 10,000 that really outshines the competition, but 6,000 is a healthy number. So this one is actually sold out, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on. Here we have these bucket heads, 500 followers, definitely a pass, not worth investing. Soul Gangster, 246, definitely not worth my time. King Ape Coin, 800 followers, not worth my time. Foxtopia, so this looks like a promising project, over 11,000 Twitter followers, and we do see that the pre-sale is sold out, but we do have a healthy amount of demand. And if we look at their Discord, over 25,000 members in their Discord. That's an amazing number. Again, this looks like a promising project, and definitely check out their website. You want to view a beautifully designed website that is well put and well presented. That means the team really cares about the project, and your NFT will garner a lot of value because of it. And here we have a roadmap, like I mentioned, it's very healthy. And also the team themselves present themselves, which is a great feature. Some teams like to remain anonymous, not this team. They are public with their identities. Again, this is a healthy mark for the collection. So great, this would be personally a project I would invest in, and the floor price here is 1 SOL. So what the floor price means is that's the minimum amount required to enter the lottery drawing during the mint phase. So the way NFT pre-sales work is if you're lucky enough to reach the web page during the mint phase, it basically works as a first come first served basis. So just like concert tickets, you want to be ready and in line, ready to purchase an NFT when they are released. So the minimum price here would be 1 SOL, but the objective is afterwards to resell the NFT within Solana Art or Solsea. Now, unless you're a collector, you want to collect this NFT in the long run and probably store it in the metaverse and probably display it in the metaverse, that's another great option for you as well. But currently, most investors involved in the NFT space are looking just to resell the NFT in the secondary market and lock in a profit. And if we keep going lower, here's another project, The Sweets. The floor price here would be 2 to 3 SOL. And over 8,000 followers. So this could be a potential investment I would make also. I would just have to dig in deeper here and look at what they're offering. So my second website I would recommend for top Solana NFT drops would be Sol Analysis. And here on the homepage, they have a leaderboard of the top NFT Solana projects. But if you navigate to the upcoming tab, we do have a calendar for upcoming NFT drops. And the same type of criteria applies here. You want to find a project with a high number of both Twitter and Discord followers, because obviously the bigger the demand is, the bigger the value for the NFT and the more resale value will be inherent in the collection. So here's a spotlight on the Family Soul NFT, and if we look at their Twitter followers, over 5,000, so that's a maybe for me. I would probably pass on that. We have here Smokey 8 Basements, so let's look at their Twitter follower, 2,000. That is a pass for me, no go. Keep scrolling down. Here we have Pixel Bands, and let's look at the mint details. Some 8-bit art. Cool, this is over 6,000 followers. I could see myself potentially investing in this. Some cool 8-bit art. These are super popular thanks to the CryptoPunks. So this could be something I could see myself buying. Again, definitely do your own research and find some collections that speak to you. Here we have Dino Dog Kingdom, over 8,000 followers. So this is a maybe. Looks like a very popular collection and a big social media presence. So this could be something I would buy in. And we checked their Discord followers, over 6,000 members on their Discord, very healthy. This could be potentially a promising project. And lastly, the third NFT calendar website I would recommend is nftcalendar.io. So on here, it would give you a list of the upcoming Solana NFT mints on Solana. And same criteria applies here. You would have to see how many Twitter and Discord followers are present. So this NF Honey Badgers has over 15,000 followers. It's a very healthy amount. So definitely something I would look into. Cool designs happening here. And we click on their website and it's asking for a MetaMask connection. So keep in mind, NFT Calendar also posts Ethereum NFTs. So it'll have a section here under what type of blockchain it's under. So this is Ethereum and the marketplace would be OpenSea. So just keep in mind that NFT Calendar posts both Ethereum and Solana mints. So my recommended wallet for Solana NFT storage would be the Phantom wallet. Phantom is free and easy to use, very intuitive, and there is an NFT gallery section where you can store and display your NFTs, which is really cool, so you can show off your collection to others. And it works on Chrome, and there is an iOS and Android app coming very soon in 2022. So keep an eye out for that. So let's say you're finally able to purchase one of these NFTs. You're one of the lucky people who got into the mint stage and you got in at a really good price. So now you want to resell the NFT. So my top recommended NFT marketplace would be solanaart.io. So Solana Art hosts the largest and the most traded by volume NFT collections for Solana. And here you can see some of the trending collections, some of the newer ones and upcoming. It's a really cool website I use. You can buy, you can sell, you can store your NFTs. I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking to resell their NFTs in the secondary marketplace. And you would just simply set up an account and connect your wallet. So my recommended wallet, like I mentioned, is Phantom Wallet, but I also do recommend using Solflare. That is another option for you. And another option for you to resell your NFT project would be Solsea. And Solsea is yet again another marketplace that will let you store, sell, and buy NFT collections on the Solana blockchain. And from here, you can see some of the trending collections, some of the most rated by volume, and some of the hotter, newer artists and latest listing. So super cool website to use, super intuitive. This is just another option for you to resell your NFT. So there you have it, a very straightforward and simple method on how to find, research, purchase, and resell the top NFT collections on the Solana blockchain. So let me know what you think about these websites. Are you a fan of how rare that is? Do you like the Solanalysis website? Or maybe you like the Solana Art website? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.